All right, our focus question. Jordan kept track of the miles he hiked in 4 days. So again, we're going to use this graph to determine the range. Yesterday, we found the mode, which was the number that was the most of, the number we saw the most of. Today we're going to find the range. That's going to be our biggest number minus the smallest number. All right, so let's remind ourselves. On Friday, he hiked 6 miles. Saturday, he hiked 10 miles. Sunday, 10 miles. And Monday, 6 miles. So those two both go 10 miles. This is 6. All right, so when we put them in order, we have a 6, 6, 10, and a 10. When we take a look at those, the biggest number is going to be 10. Smallest number is 6. So all we're going to do is 10 minus 6, and you should get 4. 10 minus 6 is 4. So our range is going to be 4. That's it. That's going to be it for our focus question.